Hello guys, welcome to another Tech Info. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to provision an IP phone on 3CX V18. So without further ado, let's begin the tutorial. Okay, so as you can see, I'm at the 3CX management console. And of course, I'm going to have to log in. And as you can see, I'm at the dashboard. Now for this demonstration, I have already created an extension 9003. And as you can see, it is all set to default and all is well. So what we're going to do now, we're going to be provisioning the phone itself. Now, in my case, I'm using the Yealink T46S, but in your case, it could be anything. So I'm going to click on Phones, and I'm going to click on Add Phone. Next, I'm going to be choosing 9003 3CX Video 4. And I'm going to click on OK. Next, I'm going to be choosing my phone itself, which in my case, of course, is the Yealink T46S. Now, I should point out that as part of the latest 3CX V18.5 update, you can only choose supported phones now. And you can no longer choose phones like the Cisco 7940, 7941, etc. So this is just to make any clearance. If anyone's trying to provision an older phone, you'll need to revert back to 3CX V16 instead of V18, or an older version of 3A V18, but it won't work as well. So just get a supported phone, as it will be way better. Anyway, we're going to be choosing the Yealink T46S. And I'm going to type in the MAC address now. And I'm going to click on OK. As you can see, everything is all set to default and all is well. You can also choose 3 types of provisioning methods. We have provision method number 1, which is local area network, which basically means it's in your network, it's right next to you. Next of all, there's the 3CX SBC, or Session Border Control, which in that case, of course, is remote. Now, there are 2 types of remote here. Why? One of them is for Session Border Control, which is the 3CX preferred method for provisioning phones outside the local area network. However, some people do just port forward 5060 and use direct SIP. But in our case, we're going to be choosing local area network, as the phone is right next to me now on my desk. Now, before we exit out, I'm just going to copy the link address. So right click on the provisioning link and choose copy link address. And now I'm going to click on OK. And just to make sure that's all worked, go into users, choose the extension that you're using for the IP phone, go into phone provisioning, and yes, as we can see, it's all there. So we're going to click on OK. Now I'm going to go into my Yealink T46S web UI. And of course, I'm going to log in. Now, for the Yealink T46S, it's very simple. I need to go into Settings and choose Auto Provision. And I'm going to simply paste the provisioning URL into the server URL. And as you can see, all is well. So now I'm going to click on Confirm, and then choose Auto Provision Now. And I'm going to click on OK. And as we can see, if we go over to my phone real quick, you can see there is now activity on the phone itself, as you saw the red light just there. And you can see that it is now trying to assign a line. And as you can see, it is now being provisioned. But of course, it needs to reboot first in order to make sure that it's working completely. And now it's going to actually initialize the config. And then once it's rebooted, it will then be fully provisioned. As you can see, it is now fully provisioned. How can you check this? Well, first of all, see that great big green phone over there? That's very good. You can also see your username, which in my case is 9003 3CX Video 4. We can also choose the speaker button, and you should be able to hear a dial tone. So now we're going to be creating a testicle. So as you can see on my desktop over here, I have extension 9002 or video 3, which is the one we obviously did last week. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to be dialing the extension 9003. Of course, we're going to allow the microphone. And as you can see, 9002 is now ringing. Hello? 1, 2, 3. As you can hear on both ends, all is working. So now we're going to try it the other way around. So now if you look at the phone over here in the corner of your screen, you can see, well, there's me, hello. We're going to press the speaker button, and we're going to dial 9002. Hello? 1, 2, 3. I think, if I'm not mistaken, I think there's a slight audio issue on one side. That's probably because Chrome microphone isn't very good. But anyway, just for a quick final check, we're going to dial *777, which is the echo test. Hello. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And as you can see, all is well. And that's it. Hopefully this video has been helpful. If you would like to request a video, please leave your comments in the comment section below, or you can check out our Discord server, Twitter and Instagram pages, which are the links in the video description. Join us next week where I'll be teaching you how to provision the 3CX app on your Android device. But that's it for now. See you next week.